create the scanner using Claude. So basically, let's say I run the scanner during the market hours. It gives me the stocks which are close to the EMA. You can see here it's getting updated. Now here there was one stock which got my attention. That was SL Propac. Okay, so what happened was, here you can see there was a good delivery volume of around 51% and around close to 91 lakh shares. Average, if you see, it's around 7 lakh delivery quantity, but here it caught my attention. So I went here, I saw the chart. So this is typically the way the the small holders get tracked. Took a support at 207, broke it. So I'm looking at it 228. Now how do I convert it into trade? I go to Tradejini system, selected EPL, 300 quantity at 218 rupees, and I have set a target of around 226. So whenever it happens, the order gets executed. Like I put a limit order here. I can do one thing. I can cancel this limit order, go to orders, okay, and select EPL, click on sell. I'll use GTT order create, because even if it doesn't happen, if it doesn't happen today, if it even happens tomorrow, I'm fine with it. 227, and that would be around 300 quantity. I say create GTT. Now the order is submitted. So when we look at the slight adjustment, I'll make it 226. Okay. So I just drag it. I make it around 226.20. Okay, let's keep it around 226. Price 226. Modify GTT. So it's a multiple combination. You have Claude, you have API data, then you have the CubePlus trading system. So let's see how it works. Thanks.